After 1 year of having this chicken coop, how are we liking it? Is it something that we would recommend to someone that's just starting over? And what are some things that you should know before you decide to grab this for yourself and for your chickens? Well, first of all, the assembly is probably on your mind. Like, is this easy to assemble? I would say if you have someone to help you assemble it, it's actually one of the easiest do-it-yourself options for a solid, secure chicken run that's actually going to help keep your chickens secure so that they don't get out and nothing else is getting in. It even comes with this waterproof tarp that you can put over the top so that you can put a coop underneath and it's going to stay dry from the snow and the rain. So after having this for a year, would I recommend it? Would I get it again? Yes, I would. The structure itself is really strong still, and we have not had any issues with anything getting into the enclosure or getting out of the enclosure. So honestly, it's doing its job, and it may not be the prettiest, but we did even have leftover chicken wire so that we could make any repairs or actually add reinforcements in certain areas. We also modified the door to add some foam padding so that every time we went into the chicken coop to clean it or whatever, we wouldn't be poked by any of the chicken wire. So consider grabbing some extra foam, but otherwise, loving this chicken run. Hope you have an amazing day.